Who doesn't know IKEA, a multinational company that sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories that was founded in 1943. IKEA is not just well known for its furniture, but it's also famous for its food, interior design, and technology. In Indonesia, the first IKEA store opened in 2014, located in Tangerang, and has become one of the most famous destinations for buying furniture or hanging out until now. Since its emergence, IKEA has always tried to give the best shopping experience towards its customers. Hence, in 2017, IKEA for the first time released an AR feature through an app called IKEA Place.
AR is not an unfamiliar term in today's era, slowly being integrated into our lives. AR is augmented reality that means the blend of the digital world and the physical elements to create an artificial environment. It is an enhanced version of the real physical world that is achieved through the use of digital visual elements and delivered via technology. IKEA is one of the pioneers in the furniture retail industry to utilize AR in their services. IKEA's AR technology allows customers to visualize what their room looks like if equipped with IKEA's products. Just by downloading the IKEA Place application, the customers will be able to pick and choose any IKEA's products to be virtually displayed in their room. Customers no longer need to visit IKEA store anymore to view how the products will look like. Using IKEA Place, they can realistically visualize how various IKEA products will appear in the comfort of their own houses.
Despite having the potential to bring more opportunities to IKEA, the application still lacks awareness and also lacks good review from the Indonesian and international market. From the survey we conducted, majority of people already know that IKEA has an application, but 61% of the respondents have yet to know about AR feature, while 85% have not downloaded IKEA application yet. It shows that there is still many flaws in IKEA Place implementation in Indonesia. By downloading IKEA Place, customers, particularly those who are not in close proximity to IKEA outlets, can visualize IKEA furniture in their houses, because currently, IKEA outlets are concentrated in more developed regions such as Bandung, Jakarta, and Bali. Those outside the city will have to purchase IKEA products through online platforms. So long story short, IKEA Place can be a tool to expand IKEA's market to a bigger one, which is to customers all over Indonesia.
Solution. Based on the data, most of the respondents do not know about the IKEA and augmented reality or AR applications on it. So, awareness of this application needs to be increased. Here are some recommendations that we are going to propose. Number 1. Develop technology for Android users. Based on the data from GlobalStat, more than 89% of the Indonesian population are Android users. Only 9% of them are iOS users. It means that Android users in Indonesia are bigger than iOS users. IKEA has the opportunity to increase its app users by developing special technology for Android users. With the development of new technology, IKEA can reach a wider market and will generate more users of the IKEA Place application. Number 2. Creating an interactive user manual and product placement review. The AR feature in the IKEA Place application is considered less user-friendly because of the difficult functionality of the application. In addition, this application does not provide instructions or methods for scanning products and how to determine the right product according to the customer's wants. IKEA must provide guidelines in the form of a user manual as a procedure for using the application. Not only that, IKEA should provide a better product placement review with a large variety of products. Placement review products will make it easier for customers to imagine how the furniture will look when it is placed in their homes. And lastly, social media and website marketing. It is proven that online marketing has a great impact on IKEA. However, more than 80% of the respondents didn't follow IKEA's Instagram and they never saw an advertisement related to the IKEA Place application. On the website, information about the IKEA application and augmented reality is less elaborated and uninteresting. Social media and website marketing are great potentials that can be developed by IKEA in increasing awareness and expanding the market. Online marketing makes it easy for IKEA to introduce augmented reality and the IKEA Place application. IKEA can do social media advertising, create interesting content, and collaborate with key opinion leaders. On the website, IKEA should introduce augmented reality and IKEA Place applications more by providing detailed information.